Hey, David from RoamRest again, here to talk about a new product that we've had for the last 6 months. We've been developing this for a little bit beyond that, but we've decided that it's something that we need to be doing. We hear a lot of complaints about the Revel mattresses just not being that comfortable. So we've taken our ultimate trifold foam layering system and we've created a 5-inch option. This is going to be a direct replacement to that manufacturer's Revel mattress that you see in these Winnebagos today. So we're going to go through a couple features and benefits and showcase one of those products that we actually have here at the AVE show with one of our customers who's worked pretty closely with us. So let's take a look at that. So here we've got that 5-inch 4-layer low-profile foam formula. This is our ultimate layering. That we've got is that 3 inches of comfort on the top, 2 inches down on the bottom for support. So you've got your structure, prevents any bottoming out, feeling that bed platform below the mattress. Your 3 inches on top, so you've got your conforming here on the top layer. 2nd inch down below is our memory cool gel foam, and then that 3rd is going to be our performance. So this 3 inches of comfort on top is really what you're going to feel. That 2 inches is there just for support. So the bolsters on this design are actually there to keep in place as this bed platform comes down, and we were very aware that that was an issue. So along with the snaps, we have designed this to fit just comfortably enough for it to come down without interrupting or interfering with those bolsters. So these bolsters have been altered from the original equipment manufacturing specs. These secondary wings that are just kind of sitting there in the pocket are again snapped down by the front and back snap points. But we've shortened it just a bit to allow for some customers have said sleep apnea machines, cell phones, chargers, cups, Nalgene's, all kinds of things. So been pretty useful for that just across the board for all of our customers. And you'll see that we've done the same here on this bolster here for the passenger side. But all in all, it's a very easy swap out for a more comfortable upgrade, and you can get custom if you'd like to go with 6 inches. That is an option, but our standard is 5 inches. We've found that that's about as much as most people will need. So the bolsters that we created for the Revel have a couple snap placements, and these are directly integrated with the manufacturer's snaps points. So as we develop this Revel mattress and some of those custom offerings beyond the fabric, we also want to continue to keep our eyes on that high performance, low profile. 6 inches is what we found works best, and still have room for that AC that's up on the ceiling there.
The mattress you just saw showcased one of our custom fabric options. Now let's take a look at our standard fabric option available with all RoamRest mattresses, and hear a little bit from our friend Simon at VanMade Gear.
The RoamRest mattress fabrics that we have standard is going to be our canvas sides, which is rip, tear resistant, and also very water resistant. Our top fabric is going to be nice, soft to the touch with a water resilience and also a rub and wear resistant fabric.
Hey, my name is Simon. I'm with VanMade Gear. The mattresses that came with the Revel were not comfortable at all. My RoamRest mattresses are honestly more comfortable than my home mattresses. People ask me why I would rather sleep in my van. But yeah, it's night and day difference between what I can get as a stock mattress for the Revel or even at home. So I definitely prefer the RoamRest mattress over all my other mattresses.
In addition to our mattress specifically designed and fitted for the Winnebago Revel, we also have our mattress lineup for all Storyteller Overland models.
We're here right now with a friend of ours, Sarah and Cody, who's nice enough to be up there on the mattress right now to prove how awesome these are. This is going to be our standard upgrade replacement to a Storyteller OEM mattress out of a Storyteller direct replacement. So you don't have to do anything but just pull it out and put ours in. With the Storyteller mattress, we do the standard 4-inch that comes right out of the factory. We do have options to go custom if that's something you would like to do, but currently we do a 4-inch offering with that 5.5-inch wing. We do suck in the sides a little bit away from the walls to allow for some tucking of the sheets. And we've also found out from Sarah herself and a few other people that are Storyteller enthusiasts that crib sheets are a choice. And so once we found that out, we've changed our design. So we do have a Gen 2 for our Velcro straps. So no longer do they come all the way out. They're going to be a little bit shorter on the inside, so you can tuck those sheets. So what we do here with these fabrics and foam, we look for premier quality, both for the ultra long lasting top fabric, which is soft to the touch, rub and rip resistant with water resistance, and our side fabrics, which is a canvas, very high resilient in that rub and rip rate as well. So comfortable having a dog up here, no problem whatsoever. Thanks, Cody. RoamRest likes to use the eco-friendly CertiPure USA certified foam. It's free of chemicals that are harmful to humans and dogs like Cody here. RoamRest uses our 4-inch foam formula on this, which is 1 inch removed from our Ultimate, which is the 5-inch. So we still do believe that even 4 inches is the low profile, high performance foam formula. What we've done here is our 3-inch top conforming layers of comfort, our memory foam, and then our performance in the bottom. So this 3 layers is where you're gonna get all that comfort and that good rest that you want. You've got 1 inch of that support down below at the base, which is gonna help prevent that bottoming out and from feeling that bed platform below. So our research and development team has worked tirelessly to make sure that what we've come up with is an easy replacement for that better upgrade for your best rest. So function was really important for us. So we definitely made sure, with the help of a few friends, Cody and Sarah specifically, we would bring the van in and make sure that we had everything dialed in. So our 4-inch foam layering matches up just like the OEM mattress, and that passenger wing comes right out, slides comfortably in. You still have a little bit of wiggle room for that sheet tucking, and you're good to go.
I heard about RoamRest when I was at an Adventure Van Expo last year, saw their mattresses, and was a little bit jealous that I couldn't have the mattress for my Storyteller. I thought my Storyteller mattress was a little firmer than I wanted, and checked out their mattresses, and then made friends, got in touch with them, and they made some magic happen. I had an incredible experience with RoamRest. I felt that they took care of me, listened to my concerns, made a few changes after I used the mattress, and couldn't be happier with the way that they took care of me and cared for my sleep and comfort in my Storyteller.
Go to RoamRest.com if you find that you want something that's going to work better than your standard OEM mattresses for the Storyteller or the Revel. You can click on our mattresses link and go there and shop, find what works best for you. If you're not seeing what you like with the standard options at RoamRest.com, you can always call our sales team. We do have custom fabrics and foam options if you want something that's a little more specific to your needs. So please check us out at RoamRest.com.